Welcome back of our channel. Today we dive into one of the most created, budget friendly and soft backyard project you can do makes a gardening with pallet. Whether you have a smart patio or balcony or a long backyard, pallet gardening is an amazing way to turn old wood pallet into something green, beautiful, and full of life. In this video, we walk with those everything for select the right palette, build versatile or hormones, gardening plants, herb, flower and vegetable, and even style your palette gardening for next term. So growing a cut of tea put on your gardening and let's get started with your palette gardening. First step, what's choose palette for gardening? Palette are everywhere, then use in shape, warehouse, and even furniture store. That but best part that often free main store will give away your palette and words are later created. You can transforming theme into a lush gardening wall or pallets but pallets are perfect for gardening balance then even the head of lightweight make of natural wood allow plants to bring great for versatile gardening which save space. Customize. You can pick and decoration theme even a way you like. Plus, palette is an issue friendly, a way to recycle wood that other way end up in a landfill. Step 2. Choose the right palette. Before you start build, select the right palette in various not allow palette are soft for gardening. Less for palette that are hard make with the little IT on the wood. IT palette are free of chemistry and soft plants. Those make MB which mean then being harmful to plants and people. Inspect your palette careful choose for check lost snake sand down edge clean with a mix of warm water to remove one your palette is clean, you're ready for the fun. Plant divide your plants. Your gardening style, what style of harmonium? Now it's time of think about the gardening can build in sub on space and plants. Versatile gardening. Perfect for smart space, balcony or patio. Your simple start the palette upright and plants with the right become. This space step work wonderful and have plants succulent various hormone palette gardening. If you have more space, that's palette one of the group restrict its sunlight on bring loss. This make a great rustic gardening bed for style greenly. Wall movement palette. Attach your palette to the wall or fence for a live price of art. It's great way to design full outdoor wall with colorful flower plants. Property with the palette. One you know your design at time of property the palette for plants. Sand the wood to remove throwing a pair of wood if you want a stand again restrict and moralize. Aspect landscape fiber of gardening line to the back side and button of a pallet. This keep salt far field out. Use a step gun to sub the fiber. For versatile gardening, letter the top open the field with salt and plants. If your go of hormone step up, consider add a plant line over water. Step 5. Add salt and plant. Now come the best part, bring your palette gardening of life. Start by fix the palette with high quality pot mix or Campik rich stone. Use gardening gift Campik a soft of fruit. Choose plants to the line your gardening review. If summer go with hub best theme of flower plants like orange for growing area theme later. If you grow versatile smart various like tomato, great in pallet gardening. As your palette make a such each pick with salt, thyme, the palette earth so can growing upright before start is versatile water gum to help your salt. Water and minerals. Pallet gardening or fast and traditional gardening become of those open design to keep your plants health. Water daily during hot weather or even 2 3 days in cool season. As setup soft water consider level of remoting plants due even sunlight explode with just a few minutes of care each day. Your palette gardening while is beautiful. Step 7. Decoration and style your palette gardening. Wherever your plants can turn a palette gardening do not just growing palette if can also be in stream price of outdoor decoration. Print the palette in each tone like green while a rustic to match your outdoor space. Wood single of a cut frame home touch. Add salt like of nighttime charm. Place smart pouch or plants in the palette soft for each style. For a modern look, the palette back and fit it's with garnish structure plants for a style feel look the wood natural plants colorful flower like Your pallet gardening can also serve as privacy screen or balcony divide filled with hub companion while step 8 pallet gardening idea and inspire. Thank you for watching this video.